Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Wendy here from Toonpish Crafts and I hope you're doing okay. Now this is the winner announcement for the 10 winners that entered the giveaway last week. That is the Reslin giveaway. Reslin very kindly said that they would send 10 boxes of Reslin out anywhere in the world for those that entered the competition. All you had to do was to comment under the video and you were automatically entered into the giveaway. I am going to use a random comment generator to generate 10 winners from the comments of that video. I'm not going to ask for any money. Just put that out there. I don't want people to get scammed, okay? I'm not asking for any money. So if you get anyone saying, oh, send me £2 and I'll tell you who the winner is, forget it, okay? They're scammers, right? All you've got to do, if your name comes up in the draw, is to email me at toonpish_crafts@outlook.com. Okay, my email address is linked to my channel information and you can get it from there. So if you are called out as one of the winners, just email me. I'm going to need to take contact details for Reslin to send you a box of Reslin. I hope that's clear. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on and find out who the 10 winners are. And good luck. So I'm using an online YouTube random comment picker. I'm getting rid of duplicate comments and also answers to comments as well. It's also worth noting that anybody that has already won with Claire's giveaway will be filtered out in this one. And for this giveaway, there is 401 comments. Congratulations again to the 10 winners. Please contact me by the 3rd of August, that's Sunday the 3rd of August. If for any reason anybody doesn't come forward for their prize, I will randomly pick out another winner to replace that person. So yeah, you've got until the 3rd of August to email me at toonpish_crafts@outlook.com. Congratulations again. Thank you so much, Reslin, for giving us the opportunity to win some boxes of Reslin. And yeah, have a great week. Oh, and I'll see you tomorrow.